it is getting too expensive for me to paint the car, and you know, one of these sanding paper sheets is now over 10 rand one. So I thought, no, there must be a cheaper way. So I bought this. This is for the machine, but this is 600 or 400 grit, so it's like sanding paper. And you bought this thing. You can put it in the machine, or you can just, let me get, put this on that side and up that side, and you have a sanding disc. And this I paid for this sanding block. This thing feels nice on the fingers, soft. I paid 50 rand of this for Temu, and I paid 30 rand for 100 of these discs. So way cheaper than sanding paper. My days of sanding paper are over. This from now on.